Hello everyone, welcome to our today lecture. In our today lecture, we are going to discuss that what is the difference between movement and shifting in supply curve. Basically, movement means when there is change in supply due to change in price, then there will be movement along the supply curve. And when there is no change in when there is change in supply due to factor other than the price, then there will be shifting in supply curve. So simply we can say that in case of movement, price may be increasing or may be decreasing, and supply may be increasing or decreasing. Price and supply both are changing. But in case of shifting, there is no change in price, but supply is maybe increasing or maybe decreasing. So when there is change in supply due to factor other than the price, that is called shifting. And when there is change in supply due to price level, then there will be movement along the curve. In case of movement, we have only one supply curve, and in case of shifting, we have more than one supply curve. So let's draw a graph for this. First of all, we will draw the curve for movement. So in case of movement, as we mentioned it, that price is maybe increasing or maybe decreasing. So when price is increasing, for example, price is increasing from 10 to 15, then 20, and supply is increasing from 40, 50, and 60. So when we draw the graph of this table, price is 10, 15, and 20. Here 40, 50, and 60. At price 10 there are 40 number of units available in the market for sale. At price 15 there are 50 number of units available in the market for sale, and at price 20 there are 60 number of units available in the market for sale. And when we join these points, we have a supply curve. So let's assume that this is our initial point or point A or middle point. So now when price is increasing from 15 to 20, supply is increasing from 50 to 60. So the movement from this point to this point is called extension, and when price is decreasing from 15 to 10, supply is decreasing from 50 to 40. So again we are having only one supply curve. We have a single supply curve. We are just changing our position from point A to B and then from point A to C. So when we have only one single graph and we are changing our position from point A to B and then A to C, or B to A then A to C, this is called movement along the curve. Because price and supply both are changing, and in case of movement, price and supply both are changing. This change may be in term of increasing and maybe in term of decreasing. And in case of shifting, there is no change in price level, but maybe supply is increasing or decreasing. So now let's take the example for shifting. So now when price is 10 and supply is increases from 40 to 50. So when we draw a graph of this price, supply, price is constant at 10 and supply increases from 40 to 50. So when price is 10 and quantity supply increases from 40 to 50. So we have two supply curve. This is S1 and this is S2. At price 10 there are 40 number of units available in the market sale, and then at price 10 there are 15 number of units available in the market for sale. So in case of shifting, we have more than one supply curve. So there is no change in price, but supply increases from 40 to 50. So when price increases, there is no change in price and supply increases. So there will be shifting in the supply curve, and supply curve will shift from S1 to S1 to S2 in rightward direction. So this is called shifting in supply curve. So now this increase in supply may be because of invention of new technology. The firm have new technology, introducing new technology. So they are producing more number of units, or maybe there are more producer enter in the market. So now when there are more number of producer in the market, this will increase the supply of good in the market. So supply increases and keeping price at constant at rupees 10. So this is the major difference between movement and shifting in the supply curve. Movement is because of change in price level. In case of movement, price and supply both are changing, but in case of shifting, just change in supply occur due to factor other than the price. There is no change in price level, but supply may be increases or decreasing. So when there is no change in price and supply is increasing or decreasing, that is called shifting of the supply curve.